Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet lid and seat. Pull up firmly to remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Disconnect the clean water hose. Disconnect all connection cables one by one. Remove the toilet seat lid assembly and place it separately. Prepare the tools listed above. Unscrew the 4 screws on the base of the toilet seat lid assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the rear cover clips. On the side of the cover plate, there are 2 screws. First, remove the decorative pad. There is a screw underneath. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Similarly, on the other side of the cover plate, there is another screw in the same position, which should also be removed. First, disconnect all the connection cables between the cover and the base. Also, use a screwdriver to unscrew and remove the grounding wire. We are now going to replace the dryer and its temperature sensor. The dryer and temperature sensor are located in this position. We have just separated the base and the cover. Since the cables come from beneath the mainboard, we will need to loosen the mainboard in order to disconnect the cables. You need to unscrew these 2 screws on the mainboard, and the cables can be disconnected. Next, loosen the 3 fixing screws on the dryer. Once loosened, remove the cable from the clip. Because the version or model you see may be different, the dryer may vary slightly. However, the disassembly and installation methods are the same. After removing the dryer from its fixed position, the cable will become loose. You can adjust the cable and find the corresponding port on the mainboard. Disconnect the port. After disconnecting the cable, remove it from the cable binder. This completes the removal of the entire dryer. Once you have the new dryer, first place it back in its original position. Organize the cables and place them under the mainboard. After organizing the cables, screw the fixing screws back. Also, tighten the mainboard screws. Once the dryer is replaced, combine the base and cover and reinstall them back onto the toilet ceramic bowl. Once the base and cover are properly combined, screw in and secure the 4 screws in different positions. Additionally, there is a screw on the left and right sides of the seat. These must also be installed and tightened securely. Connect the battery cable. Connect the diverter valve cable. Make sure the arrows on the cables match. Connect the kick control cable. Connect the pump cable. Reconnect the clean water hose. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.